Here we're asked to do two things with these list of temperatures. Find the median and find the range. And then after we find them, we're asked to make any observations that we can based on the given information. Since we're interested in finding the median, the first thing we should do is put the lists in order. So first for the Aruba temperatures, the lowest of them is 85. And that appears 3 times. So cross those out to make sure we don't repeat. Next, there is 186. There's 287s. There's 288s. And 1, 2, 3, 4 89s. So having crossed all those out, I'm assuming we have them all on here, but let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have all 12 months. There's the break, 6 on the left and 6 on the right, which tells us that the median with an even number of data values is going to be the mean of the two values in the middle. And to find that, of course, we'll do 87 plus 88 over 2, which of course works out to be 87.5 degrees. There's the median for the Aruba temperatures. The range is much simpler, but now it's easier to see since it's ordered that the range is the highest value, 89, minus the lowest value, 85. And so the range here is 4 degrees. Now we'll repeat for St. Louis and do our comparisons. So let's see, lowest temperature for St. Louis is 38. Next is 42. Then let's see, there's a 45. Next lowest is 54. Then 55 is starting to look like a tennis match. We keep bouncing back and forth. 55 back up here. Oh, there we go. That breaks that pattern. Next is 66. Next lowest is 69. Then 77. 81. 86. 88. And finally 91. Again, double check. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 values. That's good. 2, 4, 6. There's the break with 6 values below and 6 above, which is what we need for the median. Again, we will compute the mean of the two values in the middle. And 66 plus 69 over 2 is 67.5. So that's the median temperature for St. Louis, or the median high temperature. The range, on the other hand, is going to be considerably different. The high is 91, the low is 38, giving us a range of 53 degrees. Now, what observations can we make based on this information? Well, first of all, based on the medians, Aruba is warmer than St. Louis. Well, no kidding, it's close to the equator. St. Louis is not. But the interesting thing is, by looking at the range, we can see that Aruba has a tremendously consistent climate because the range is only 4 degrees from the warmest to the coolest month, whereas St. Louis has a much more volatile climate because of the change of seasons is much more pronounced there, further away from the equator. The average, or the median, is 67.5 degrees, but the range is 53, telling us that the seasonal temperature varies quite a lot.